Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed there are a bunch of projects in here that you can choose from for Scratch, and even some for Scratch Junior. But what if you can combine these projects into one project? That sounds like a pretty neat idea, so let's look at a project that does that. This is called Puzzle Cabinet, and it is by Lego Mario Bros. Okay, so when we press the green flag, okay, so we got cabinet. Okay, so when we move, we can click, and each one of these is a different game. So if I click on one, I can change this. I can learn about this. Be like, okay, I can change it from simple to hard. I can reset the puzzle, and then I can go back to the home. So for every single one of these, there's a different thing that you can do. Let me show you what one of these looks like. Okay, so if you're doing this and you're like, okay, this is a bit too hard, press the button, and then we can make it easier. And now we can be like, okay, well, I'm supposed to get the blue over to here and the red over to there. But they can only skip over each other. Okay, so if I do this, what happens when I... Yeah, okay, no, oh, I messed up. So if I press the button right here, I can reset, and I can go back to here. Okay, so let's try this again. So we press blue. Okay, so then we go to red. And then, okay, so this one's going to move. Okay, and then we go here. All right, I'm good so far. And go here, and then, ta-da! We figured it out. Now, if we wanted to, again, we could go to the hard version and try and do this one, which is a little more complicated, or we can be like, all right, I'm good. Can go back and try out some of these other ones. So if you got a neat idea like this that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. And if you want to learn how to create a project like this, make sure you check out BootUppd.org, which has a bunch of projects that you can learn how to teach or create. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.